For decades, scientists have been fascinated by the idea of parallel universes, or multiverses, as they are sometimes called. These are universes that exist alongside our own, potentially with different laws of physics and possibly even different versions of ourselves. While the concept of parallel universes might seem like pure science fiction, there are several theories and observations that suggest they could be real. Are you ready to explore the mind-bending concept of parallel universes and the mysterious signals that some believe are coming from them? If so, strap in and get ready for a wild ride. Hello, and welcome to our channel. If you're new here, we'd love for you to join our community by hitting the subscribe button and turning on notifications so you'd never miss a new video. First, let's define what we mean by parallel universes. In the simplest terms, a parallel universe is a hypothetical alternate reality that exists alongside our own. This means that in a parallel universe, there could be a version of you making different choices, living a different life, and experiencing a completely different reality. But how could we possibly know about these other realities, let alone communicate with them? That's where the concept of signals from parallel universes comes into play. Some scientists and researchers believe that these parallel universes can interact with each other, and that they may be able to send signals across the vast expanse of space and time. These signals could take many different forms, from gravitational waves and other disturbances in the fabric of space-time to strange signals detected by radio telescopes and other instruments. One of the most intriguing pieces of evidence for the existence of these signals is the so-called cold spot in the cosmic microwave background radiation. This cold spot is a region of the universe that is colder than its surroundings, and some scientists believe that it could be the result of a collision between our universe and a parallel universe. Another intriguing piece of evidence comes from the field of quantum mechanics, which deals with the behavior of subatomic particles. Some scientists believe that the bizarre and seemingly random behavior of these particles could be the result of interactions with parallel universes. But perhaps the most exciting evidence for the existence of signals from parallel universes comes from the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. For decades, scientists have been using radio telescopes to listen for signals from other intelligent civilizations in the universe. And while we haven't yet found any definitive proof of alien life, some believe that the strange signals that have been detected could be coming from parallel universes. Of course, all of this is still highly speculative, and much more research is needed to confirm the existence of parallel universes and the signals that some believe are coming from them. But the idea of communicating with other versions of ourselves in alternate realities is a fascinating one, and it opens up a whole new realm of possibilities for our understanding of the universe. Despite the intriguing evidence for the existence of signals from parallel universes, many scientists are skeptical of this idea. They argue that there are still many unanswered questions and unresolved issues when it comes to the concept of parallel universes. For example, some scientists point out that there is no definitive proof that parallel universes exist. While the concept of parallel universes has been around for centuries, it is still largely theoretical and has yet to be confirmed by empirical evidence. Furthermore, even if parallel universes do exist, it is unclear how they can interact with each other and send signals across vast distances. The laws of physics, as we know them, may not apply in the same way in a parallel universe, making it difficult to predict how these universes might behave. Additionally, the idea of detecting and interpreting signals from parallel universes raises many technical challenges. For one, the signals from these universes would be incredibly faint, making them difficult to detect with our current technology. Furthermore, even if we were able to detect these signals, it is unclear how we would be able to understand them and decipher their meaning. Simply put, a parallel universe is a hypothetical separate reality coexisting with one's own. It's a concept that has long captured the imagination of scientists and the general public alike. And while it's still purely theoretical, there are a few potential signs that these alternate worlds might be out there. Here are 15 signals that could potentially indicate the presence of parallel universes. 1. Fluctuations in cosmic microwave background radiation. This radiation is thought to be a remnant of the Big Bang, and slight variations in its intensity could potentially be evidence of other universes interacting with ours. 2. Anomalous celestial events. If we were to observe strange and unexplainable phenomena in the sky, it could potentially be a sign of another universe influencing ours. 3. Unexpected patterns in quantum systems. The behavior of quantum particles is often unpredictable. But if we were to observe patterns that couldn't be explained by our current understanding of physics, it could be a hint of interference from another universe. 4. Discrepancies in the expansion rate of the universe. If the expansion rate of the universe doesn't match what we expect based on our current understanding of physics, it could potentially be due to the influence of another universe. 5. Strange energy patterns in space. If we were to observe unexpected energy patterns in seeming space, it could potentially be a sign of another universe influencing ours. 6. Unusual gravitational effects. If we were to observe gravitational effects that couldn't be explained by known objects and phenomena, it could be a sign of another universe influencing ours. 7. Unexpected cosmic rays. Cosmic rays are high-energy particles that can be detected here on Earth. And if we were to observe unexpected patterns or intensities in these rays, it could potentially be a sign of another universe. 8. Strange behavior of black holes. If we were to observe black holes behaving in ways that don't match our current understanding of them, it could potentially be due to the influence of another universe. 9. Unexpected variations in the fine structure constant. This constant, which describes the strength of the electromagnetic force, is thought to be constant throughout the universe. If we were to observe unexpected variations in its value, it could potentially be a sign of another universe influencing ours. 10. Unusual patterns in the cosmic web. The cosmic web is a vast network of galaxy clusters and filaments that stretches throughout the universe. If we were to observe strange patterns or structures in this web, it could potentially be a sign of another universe influencing ours. 11. Anomalous redshifts. Redshift is the phenomenon of light shifting to longer wavelengths due to the expansion of the universe. If we were to observe anomalous redshifts that couldn't be explained by known physics, it could potentially be a sign of another universe influencing ours. 12. Unexpectedly high concentrations of dark matter. Dark matter is a mysterious substance that makes up a large portion of the universe. And if we were to observe unexpectedly high concentrations of it, it could potentially be a sign of another universe influencing ours. 13. Strange behavior of neutrinos. Neutrinos are tiny particles that are thought to be some of the most abundant particles in the universe. If we were to observe strange behavior in these particles, it could potentially be a sign of another universe influencing ours. 14. Anomalous cosmic background radiation. This radiation is thought to be the afterglow of the Big Bang. And if we were to observe unexpected variations in its intensity or patterns, it could potentially be a sign of another universe influencing ours. 15. Unexpectedly high or low entropy. Entropy is a measure of the disorder of a system. And if we were to observe unexpectedly high or low entropy in the universe, it could potentially be a sign of another universe influencing ours. So there you have it, 15 potential signals that could indicate the presence of parallel universes. While none of these are definitive proof of their existence, they do offer intriguing possibilities for further investigation. Of course, much more research is needed before we can say for certain whether or not parallel universes and the signals that some believe are coming from them are real. But the idea is certainly an exciting one, and it continues to capture the imagination of scientists and laypeople alike. Who knows what incredible discoveries we may make in the search for signals from parallel universes? The possibilities are truly endless. Thanks for watching, and be sure to let us know your thoughts on parallel universes in the comments below. Until next time!